We're going to move now to David Begno, who is near Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. David, what's the latest there?
Jeff, starting at 12 noon tomorrow, more than 1 million people living along the 187-mile coastline of South Carolina are going to have to get out. That's by order of the governor. Here's what happens. You look for one of those blue signs that says evacuation route, and it will lead you there. They're actually going to reverse traffic tomorrow. You won't even be able to get to places like Myrtle Beach.
Znači, milion ljudi sutra mora da se seli, da se evakuiše zbog uragana. Pogledajte ove muke. Milion!
In Charleston, there'll be one way, and it'll be out. South Carolina's Governor Henry McMaster made the announcement this afternoon.
It's going to be inconvenient, but we do not want to risk one South Carolina life in this hurricane.
In North Carolina, there are evacuations in parts of the Outer Banks, but as of right now, not the entire coastline. Roy Cooper is the governor.
We are now assembling resources and equipment to help with debris clearing, road clearing.
In Virginia, the Navy is scrambling to get 30 ships out to sea, well away from Florence.
Evo, 30 brodova out to sea, znači na otvoreno more idu s njima da bi izbjegli uragan Florence.
It is a beast. This is the view from space. And that's what hurricane hunters saw when they flew into Florence yesterday. On land today, it was the calm bustle, shall we say, before the storm.
Staying or evacuating?
I'm leaving, going to Virginia and meet with my daughter.
Okay. We found lines for gas 60 cars deep consistently at this Costco in Wilmington, North Carolina. Nearby, Scott Proctor was in line for propane that he may need to run a generator once he returns.
They canceled school for the rest of the week here, so we'll probably head out later today or tomorrow.
He told us that the Costco was out of water. Sure enough. There was a limit of 5 cases of water per member. There's none. Coastal residents in South Carolina have been told to evacuate more than 150 miles away from the coast. If you're wondering why North Carolina hasn't done a similar coastal evacuation, that's because local managers, local leaders are in charge of that. The governor can intervene. So far, it hasn't happened. And Jeff, a very short time ago, the governor of Virginia just ordered some evacuations starting tomorrow.
150 miles. Koliko je to u kilometrima? To je 160, oko 160 km treba da se pomjere od obale. Znači vidi, kupuju vode, nema vode više, kupuju stvari, snabdijevaju se ljudi, svi bježe, pogledaj, kukati majke.
In certain coastal areas.
Yeah, very interesting here to see how different states are handling this. David Begno, thank you very much.